Alright traders, my name is Forest God and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you know you are new here, please kindly click on the subscribe button. As you all know, it's for free. You are not paying anything for this education. Yes, I'm teaching you all this for free. So if you know you are new here, click on the subscribe button so that you'll be able to miss any of these good opportunities we keep getting each and every week. Yes, today we want to analyze EURUSD. What should we be expecting on EURUSD? Yes, and before we start, I have to let you guys know how we got this trade, how we got this trade. As we all know, we don't joke here. We always get it exactly as we predict and exactly as the market presents to us too. Always remember, market is not predictive, though we react according to what the market gives us. Yes, but we sometimes call it prediction because sometimes we predict the market will go in this way and it happens, but it's not prediction. We just follow what the market presents to us. So before we continue, let me teach you guys how we got this nice buy on EURUSD, and congratulations to all of you who joined me to trade EURUSD last week on this same platform. So this was how we got this buy. The reason was, we all know that market has been giving us bearish movement to the downside. You can see price breaking structures to the downside, giving us bearish movements, bearish. And what happened, unfortunately, we had this price breaking structure here to the upside, giving us this break of structure and leaving behind this fake break of structure to the upside. So the moment price gave me this fake break of structure, I realized that markets will come back into this other block here, this other block we have here. I realized price will be coming there because because in market structure, anytime market breaks a structure to the upside this way, it gives us a break of structure, and it gives a fake break of structure like this, then you should know that markets will automatically come to break this. Market automatically comes to break this before it continues going to the upside. So you can see that that's what is happening here. Market give us a break of structure here to the upside and give us this fake break of structure to the upside. So I noticed the market will come to take this out and to tap into the other block that caused this break of structure. So I set my buy limit here. Waiting for price to tap me in, and guess what happened? Immediately price got here, price tapped me in and gave me my risk is to reward perfectly without any complaints. Are you getting me? So this is what I'm always telling you guys. Please follow me, because here whatever it gives you happens exactly the way we want it to go. So now what should we be expecting next on EURUSD? Let's move straight into the monthly time frame to understand what the market is giving us. So look at this on the monthly time frame. You can see that currently market is reacting through reacting off from the monthly order block. Sorry, this is the monthly order block. After price broke this structure to the downside, you can see that market has been breaking structures to the downside on the monthly time frame. So this one we are seeing here was a retracement on the monthly time frame. So now we have to now follow the impulsive move to the downside. We are now following the impulsive movement to the downside. So now that we know that now market wants to move to the downside on the monthly time frame, we should be very careful when taking buys on EURUSD. Are you getting me? We will get buying opportunities when we have better confirmations, but for now our focus should be on the selling side, because now we are acting off the monthly order block, which means the movement to the downside is about to begin, the impulsive movement. So now let's move to the weekly time frame to see what's happening. So coming to the weekly time frame, now we are not going to focus here anymore. All we need to do is to focus here, because we're looking for what's going to happen this week. So let's forget what is happening here and focus on what is happening currently here. Sorry for my chat being so messy, because if I don't do this, you understand what I'm trying to teach you. So this is what we are going to do now. We are no more going to focus here. Let's focus on what is happening here. So now we move into the daily time frame to see what's happening there. So in the daily time frame, sorry, let me wipe out all these things so that we'll get clean chart. So moving to the daily time frame. So coming into the daily time frame, what are you seeing? You can see that in the daily time frame too, price has mitigated the monthly order block. As you can see, price has mitigated that and giving us a shift in structure here, giving us a shift in structure, giving us another break of structure, and automatically taking out this low, which confirms that now the sellers are in. And we all know that when market breaks or change character, it has to go back to sweep some liquidities before it flows to the downside. That was why we got this buy, because after market broke this structure to the downside, it gave us a market structure shift to go and sweep this internal liquidities. Let me use this so that you understand well. You can see that market after breaking this low to the downside, giving us this market structure shift. We all know that in market structure, after a market structure change happens, or a change in character happens, after a change in character happens like this, we are expecting market to come 50%, at least 50% of the Fibonacci level before price moves to the upside. So this is our Fibonacci level. So at least 50% or 60%. So let's just say this price will come within this range before we see price moving to the upside. So we get a buy from here. Are you getting me? So this is what we should be expecting anytime price breaks structure or changes direction. We need to wait for price to give us a 50% retracement before we take the next move to the upside. So now what should we be expecting? So let's take our Fibonacci retracement on the daily time frame. So our Fibonacci level on the daily time frame, so let's fib it from here to the low here, So as you can see, we have this other block that is resting between the 50% and the 60% Fibonacci level. This is it here, this other block here, this nice other block here. So we should be expecting price. So this is where price is heading towards. After taking all these internal liquidities, price will take these internal liquidities before it will get here to give us a shift in structure. Then we'll take the sell to the downside. Are you getting me? So now we don't take trades on the daily time frame. So we move to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame will give us a confluence of where we should take our trades. So now this is the 4-hour time frame. So looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, look at another confluence to show us the market is really targeting this other block. Is you can see this gap left here. You can see this gap. Markets, whenever market leaves a gap this way, markets will come to fill that gap. Markets will come to fill that gap before market moves to the upside. Market will come and fill that gap before market moves to the original direction. So now that we can see that market is moving towards this, then we should know that market will come into this other block here before it starts moving to the downside. Now that we know that market will move to the downside, when it gets to the other block, what do we have to do? We just have to wait. For market to come into the other block. Then we'll see what to do next. Sorry for these drawings. Let me take this off. Okay. So now this is what I'm seeing on EURUSD now. So I'm waiting for price to come to this other block here. Guys, this is a nice swing trade. This is not a day trade something. This is a swing trade. This is going to take like weeks or a month to finish. So if you know you're a swing trader, this is an opportunity for you. But if you know you're a day trader, let's get into your so this is what we should be expecting on a bigger picture. But let me give you a picture of what we should be expecting this week. I get me. So this week, this is what we should be expecting. You can see that after we had this nice buy to the upside, markets give us another break of structure to the upside. Look at what I was telling you guys. So the markets give us this break of structure to the upside. So after price give us this break of structure, you can see that price give us this break of structure to the upside and give us this fake break of structure again. This fake break of structure to the upside again. So people will put their other block here. Okay, let me do it this way. So people are going to set their other block here, waiting for price to pick them in. And guess what price is going to do? Price is going to take them out this way. because it's going to take this out as liquidity, price will take them out, come back this way and get into this other block that is here on the 4-hour time frame, then give us another buy into this other block before we take our sell to the downside. Are you getting me, guys? So we should be expecting some buys too from this other block here. This other block here is going to give us some buys, so we should be expecting some little buys from this other block as we are waiting for the overall movement to the downside. So be expecting these buys too on Euro USD. So we're expecting these buys too on Euro USD. So guys, this is my view on Euro USD. If you know you have anything to say, drop in the comment section so that we all learn together. We are all here to learn forex. There's no one that is perfect. Even the big boys still learn. We are all still learning. So if you think your view is different from what we are expecting, please drop it in the comment section, because forex is predictive. Are you getting me? Oh, sorry, because forex is not predictive, it's reactive. We are all reacting according to what the market is giving us, and maybe what you are seeing and what I am seeing might be different. So guys, this is what I'm seeing. This is my view on Euro USD. Thank you guys, see you next time.